Hello all, and let's see how to prepare your fabric for dyeing. This is an unwashed fabric, so wash off that starch and let it dry. Now this is washed and dried completely. I've taken 500 ml of water in a bowl and I'm adding 1 cap full of fixer. Mix this well. Now soak your fabric in this mixture for about 20 minutes. Squeeze out the excess water. Your fabric is now ready for dyeing. Watch the next video on tie and dye pattern 1, but before that, don't forget to like, click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.